Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So first things first, obviously you can tell, maybe you can't tell, I don't know. But regardless, I moved to California. I've moved to Los Angeles finally. So I am in my new apartment and I am filming here now, and yeah, it has amazing lighting and it's beautiful. And I love this apartment, and yeah, from now on I will be filming here. So for today I'm doing something a little bit different. Instead of showing you guys like this full glam that I have right here, I'm doing a lace skull kind of makeup look. So I know that Halloween is like at least 2 months away, like it's pretty far, and like I don't know why I'm doing this one right now, but I decided that I wanted to do something a little bit more creative than what I've been doing. And yeah, since this is my first video in Los Angeles, I thought I'd kick it off with something really exciting. So I have this inspiration photo from a makeup account that I've been following on Instagram for a while. It's like this kind of like white lace kind of skull makeup thing. And instead of just using white, I'm going to be putting my own spin on it and doing like some sort of like black lace skull thing. So I do have white and black, so I'm going to go between the two, but I don't really know how this is going to work out. I've done nothing like this before, so this is like a first for me and kind of an experiment. So hopefully it looks good. We might be here for a while, but that's okay. Anyway, I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another makeup tutorial with moi. And without further ado, let's get to the makeup. Done. So I'm just gonna start. I'm not really sure where to start. Maybe I'll start on my nose. I think that's a good place to start. It's like right in the middle of my face. So yeah, I'm just gonna start and hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna switch eyeliners because this one's already running out. If you guys have a Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner, you freaking know that it runs out so quickly. Let's hope I have enough to finish this. Okay, actually, I'm gonna go in with the white here and see if I can make it a little bit more like cute instead of just like freakishly black. So difficult, you guys. Like, I've already messed up so many times, and like I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it, and it's bothering me. It's like I know that this isn't gonna be perfect because like obviously, and like even in this picture, like the actual like strokes aren't perfect, but like I want it to be perfect. I'm sure that you guys don't think I'm failing, but like to me, I'm just like failing. Like how do I do this? Like how do I get to the side of my face? Ugh. Like you guys can probably see this better than I can. Like I have no idea what I'm doing. Like how the hell do I do this? Should I give up? I think I should give up. I'm not gonna give up, but I think I should. But I wish I could. I still have like so much left to. Thing is, you guys, I'm pretty sure I just ran out of eyeliner. Guys, I just ran out of eyeliner. I'm so close to being done. Ah! I don't know, you guys. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments section below. I need to hear what y'all think about this. I know it's like way messy. Like, it's super messy. It's definitely not my best work. This is definitely not my cleanest work. I've done a lot better. But this is the first time I've done anything like this, you guys. Anything. So I know that it's a little rough, but I think for a first time I did like a pretty good job. Like, I know I was having a little bit of eyeliner issues and whatever, but yeah. Anyway, this is the final look. This was a lot harder than I expected, you guys. I think that in the picture, like when I was looking up inspiration for like my next like really creative like look, whatever, I was just like, oh, I saw that lace skull and she had it all the way down to here and even on her ears, and I was like intending on doing that, but like this was so hard. Like, this is so hard. And I didn't even do all the detail that she did. Like, I left out a lot of detail just because like my eyeliners are just running out, and like I knew that they were running out because they had been running out before I even did this. So honestly, I maybe should have prepared myself a little bit harder and bought some more eyeliners in case this happened. But alas, this is what I've come up with the time and the product that I had. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this look. I mean, I know that I wasn't really doing talking or like showing you how to do anything. I was just kind of sitting here doing it. But I thought it was really fun and it was really different, and like, I mean, I might use this for Halloween. Maybe I'll just do like half a face of this, and then like the other half can stay normal. Because like, wait, did I actually finish everything? Because it looks like there's more on this side than there is on this side. There probably is, because like, I just got lazy. But yeah, I mean, I like it. It could have been better, honestly. I wouldn't consider it a fail, but I wouldn't consider it like successful either. It just kind of happened. Anyway, I hope that you guys liked this look, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.